Hi everyone and welcome back again. So, ironically, the day I bought my 330i sedan, another vehicle that I was watching in Copart was actually scheduled for the auction. So, and it's actually running in 11 minutes. This car is 2005 BMW 330 Ci with a ZHP, my favorite. The only thing is that it's not manual transmission, but I can actually live with that. After driving a 330i with automatic, I actually liked it, so it wasn't that bad. Pretty responsive and smooth. So yeah, this time it's a coupe. I never had a coupe in a ZHP package, so I'm going to show you the car right now before it's going to be live at the auction. So here's the vehicle. As I said, it's a 2005 330 Ci. And the thing about it is that the status of the car is, they call it highlights, and it's an enhanced vehicle. It means that it does not run or does not drive. And the reason why it doesn't, I think, the reason is because we have front airbags deployed. So the driver's airbag and the passenger airbag, they are deployed. And pretty much the reason why the vehicle doesn't run or doesn't even start, the reason is that the positive battery cable has the emergency cutoff mechanism that actually explodes after the airbags are deployed, and it shuts all the power from the battery to the engine, in order to prevent any possible fire or explosion or any dangerous things like that. So that's pretty much that's my guess why the vehicle does not run or doesn't start. But yeah, other than that, primarily damages the front end. Looks like they just hit the bumper, and the sensors for the airbags got some impact on it. That's why the airbags exploded. And yeah, other than that, looks like the vehicle has some Dynon upgrades. You can see that there is a Dynon badge right up there on the trunk. But yeah, other than that, I don't really know what's the mileage on the car, so it's going to be a kind of gamble, in addition to it's being a gamble already, since I'm bidding on the car sight unseen and on the car that doesn't drive or doesn't start. And here's the front bumper. Looks like it's pretty crashed on the bottom and in the front, as well as this belly pan. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I guess we'll see what it goes for, and depends how much the winning bid is going to be. Maybe I'll pull the trigger on this one as well. The thing about it is that this one, the sales status is minimum bid, so it means that there is a certain reserve that needs to be reached, and it's for sale by Farmers Insurance. So we'll see. Okay, so it's 2 minutes till this car is going to be live, so we'll see. And there you go. Washington, Oregon started to bid. It goes up by $25. Okay, let's bid. 800. Okay. For sale now, so the reserve has been reached. And bonus time, really. They always do it on purpose, that way they can increase the selling price of the car. But $775 so far, and I won the car. Okay, exciting. Looks like it's time for me to book my next rental car one way to Portland, Oregon.